Hello, this is Moody Alshehaby, and this is our 13th video of our Adobe After Effect course from scratch. Our previous video was the last video of effects and presets panel. We've had cool effects for text and videos. We removed green screens. We created rain and snow. We created bubbles, spherical shapes. We had transitions and much more. In our video today, we will go through expressions. Another cool and effective way to control your animation. Expressions are very handy and it's a very large menu as well. So without any further ado, let's start. First of all, let's define expression. What is expression? Expression is kind of adding mathematical operation or language to control your layer or your animation. Let's dig in and see what does that mean. To get to your expression box or list, open the transform option from any layer and from any parameter, let's say rotation. Just press on Alt and click on the stopwatch and that will open the expression box for you. To get to your expressions menu, go to that arrow here where it says expression language menu and you will find here all of your expressions. As you can see, it's a very long menu and each expression here needs some time on its own to be explained. I will only go through the time expression in this course, yet I will have another playlist specifically for expressions right after we finish this course. We will go through each and every expression in more details. Here you can find time expression and that will be our focus for today. If you want to choose your expression, you can just click on it here. Or I will press Alt and click again on the stopwatch to remove my expression. Then I will press on Alt again and click on the stopwatch one more time. You can start writing your expression if you want to. Once you start writing letter T, the program here starts giving you all the options that start with letter T. Just write time, then click anywhere outside the expression box. You see now if you increase this rotation value here, it comes back to 0 automatically. That's because we set it on a time expression. What does the time expression does here now? If you played your video or you moved your timeline indicator, you will notice here your logo slightly rotating. What's happening here? I will enlarge my comp a little so I can see the seconds option. See the value here is 0. If you place your timeline indicator on 1 second, the value here will be 1 degree. That means the time expression rotating your layer 1 degree each second. If I place my timeline indicator on 30 seconds, it will give me a 30 degrees here. Now how can I add to my expression? What if I need to increase the rotation degrees? Just click within the box, click after time, then press and Shift 8 to get that star icon, then add the value you want. Let's say 2. Now my logo will be rotated 2 degrees each second. Over my 30 seconds comp will be 60 degrees rotation. Now we can change the value here to whatever value we want. Well, now what if I want this logo to be rotated a full cycle across my comp? To be rotated 360 degrees over my 30 seconds comp, or however my comp length is. Just click here again within your expression box, keep the time, then the star, then open parentheses, Now I'm telling the program that I want this logo to be rotated 360 degrees on 30 seconds, which is my comp length. Then close the parentheses. Now if I just move across my comp, you will see that my logo is being rotated a full cycle. See, the value here is 360 degrees. You can also change here. Give me a full cycle within only 15 seconds. So my logo here will be rotated twice within my comp. Another cool way here to use this time expression, just convert your layer to a 3D layer. From the Y rotation, click on the stopwatch while pressing on Alt to open the expression box. Write your expression here, time, then Shift 8 to get the star icon. Open your parentheses. I will tell the program here to give me a 360 degrees rotation on Y rotation every 5 seconds. Now it's rotating a full cycle every 5 seconds. However, it's rotating to the left. What if I want to reflect it? Just add minus before the 360 degrees. Now it's rotating towards the right. Another way here to use the time expression, I have here just a text. I will just open the source text, press on Alt and click on the stopwatch to open the expression box, and I will write time. And what that does here, it converts your text into figures. If you move your timeline indicator or play your video, you will see the figures increasing. And if you notice here, each 1 second, it gives you a full number. From 0 to 1 second, gives you a figure 1, and so on. But we have here many decimals, too many numbers on the right. How can we remove them and only keep the right figure? We want to keep just 1, and from 1 to 2, and 2 to 3, and so on. I'm gonna combine my time expression here with another expression. Go to the expression language menu, then go to JavaScript Math, then down here to Math.round. I will go back and start a new expression. Click on the stopwatch while pressing on Alt. I will write my new expression here, Math.round, then open your parentheses, then write time, and close the parentheses. Now I'm on 0. Once I move to 1 second, it will give me a number 1, and so on. Now we've got rid of those many decimals. Now if I want to increase those numbers, and instead of 1 number each 1 second, I want it to be 10 numbers each second. Just click inside the expression box again. After time, press on Shift 8 to get the star icon. Then you can add here your desired figure. Now you will get 10 numbers each 1 second, and so on. Alright, now we have 10 numbers each 1 second. My comp here is 30 seconds, which means I will get 300 by the end of my comp, right? 10 times 30 is 300. But what if I have a long video and I want this number to stop at a certain number, like to stop at 20 or 30 or 40? Then I want this number to loop again. How can we do that? Let's say I want this number here to stop at 200, which is here on a 20 seconds, then to loop again. Just click here inside your expression box, then add the percentage icon, then add the figure where you want the numbers to stop at, 200. Now once you get close to the 20 seconds, the numbers will stop at 199, then start to loop again. Another way here to use the time expression, I already have the expression here as you see, just numbers with a lot of decimals. Click here and go to global, then go down to timeToFrames. When you choose that expression, just make sure you write it the same way as you see it. One letter capital or small difference could make a difference. I will add at first here, timeToFrames, open parentheses, time, then comma. I will add the comp frame rate, which is here 29.97. I can remove this last time, I already added it. Now as you go with your video or with your timeline indicator, you will see the frame number along your timeline. Next way to use this time expression, timeToTimecode, just click on it. It will give you the time along your timeline. If you don't like the expression here and you think it's too long, which I agree with, you can select all of that. We don't need it. Just keep the timeToTimecode, then open your parentheses, and I will follow the previous way. Just write time, then comma, then I will add the composition frame rate, which is here again 29.97, then close your parentheses, and you will get your time code along your timeline. Time is a very useful expression and very handy. We are almost done with this course, just a couple more videos to go, and I will start a new playlist for those expressions, where we can go on each and every one of them in details. That was our video for today. Went through expressions, a very handy and effective way to control the animation. In our next video, we will see how to create a preset, how to use it over and over again with just a click of a mouse, and also how to edit a preset, as well as some free websites that offer presets and tools for After Effects. Tune in with me. Till next video, have a great day.